Hello food lovers! Welcome to another exciting culinary journey. Today, we're going on a culinary adventure to a beautiful Italian island called Pantelleria. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, this island is known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and of course its incredible cuisine. We're diving into a dish that's bursting with flavor and sunshine, Insalata Pantesca. This traditional salad is a staple in Pantelleria, and it's easy to see why. This isn't your average salad. It's a celebration of simple, fresh ingredients that sing on your tongue. Each bite is a symphony of tastes and textures, making it a perfect dish for any occasion. It's like a little taste of the Mediterranean summer, all in one bowl. Imagine the warm sun, the gentle sea breeze, and the vibrant colors of the island, all captured in this delightful dish. Imagine this: juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp red onions, and the freshest ingredients you can find. Salty capers, plump olives, and a touch of the island's unique flavors, and fragrant basil all come together in perfect harmony. The basil adds a fresh, aromatic note that elevates the entire dish. It's a salad that's as vibrant and colorful as the island it comes from. The bright reds, greens, and purples make it as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. So, are you ready to discover the magic of Insalata Pantesca? Let's get chopping. Grab your freshest ingredients, and let's bring a piece of Pantelleria into your kitchen. Trust me, once you try this salad, you'll be making it again and again. First up, we have the stars of our salad, cherry tomatoes. These little gems are like drops of sunshine, bursting with sweetness and flavor. In Pantelleria, the sun ripens the tomatoes to perfection, giving them an incredible taste that you won't find anywhere else. For our Insalata Pantesca, we want the freshest, ripest cherry tomatoes we can find. Give them a good wash and slice them in half, letting all that juicy goodness out. Remember, the quality of your ingredients makes all the difference in this salad. Next, we're adding a bit of a bite to our salad with some crisp red onions. These aren't just any onions though. Red onions from Pantelleria have a unique flavor thanks to the island's volcanic soil and salty sea air. They're a bit sweeter and milder than regular red onions. We only need a small red onion for our salad, thinly sliced into half moons. If you find the raw onion a bit strong, you can soak the slices in cold water for a few minutes to mellow them out. Section 4. Little bursts of the sea capers and olives. Now, let's talk about those little flavor bombs, capers and olives. These tiny ingredients pack a punch and can transform any dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Capers are the unopened flower buds of a plant that grows wild all over Pantelleria. This small island in the Mediterranean is famous for its capers, which are often considered the best in the world. They have a salty, tangy flavor that adds a real zing to the salad. When you bite into a caper, you get a burst of briny goodness that can elevate the simplest of dishes. Olives, another staple of the Mediterranean diet, bring a rich, salty flavor and a satisfying meatiness to the dish. Whether you prefer green or black olives, each type has its own unique taste and texture. For our Insalata Pantesca, we're using both capers and olives. This traditional salad from Pantelleria combines the best of both worlds, offering a delightful mix of flavors and textures. Capers can be used straight from the jar, while olives can be sliced or left whole, depending on your preference. The versatility of these ingredients makes them a must-have in any kitchen. These little bursts of flavor are what make this salad truly special. The combination of capers and olives not only adds depth to the dish, but also brings a touch of the Mediterranean to your table. So next time you're looking to add some excitement to your meal, don't forget about these tiny yet mighty ingredients. Section 5. A touch of green magic, fresh basil. No Italian salad is complete without a touch of fresh herbs, and Insalata Pantesca is no exception. We're adding a handful of fragrant basil leaves to our salad, which brings a lovely freshness and aroma to the dish. Simply tear the basil leaves into smaller pieces and toss them in with the other ingredients. The basil adds a wonderful aroma and a vibrant green color to our Insalata Pantesca. Section 6. Bringing it all together, assembling your Insalata Pantesca. Now comes the fun part, assembling our salad. In a large bowl, combine the halved cherry tomatoes, sliced red onions, capers, olives, and torn basil leaves. Drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil and a splash of red wine vinegar if you like a bit of tang. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, then gently toss everything together to combine. You want the dressing to coat all the ingredients beautifully. Section 7. A salad for the soul. Why you need Insalata Pantesca in your life. This delightful dish hails from the beautiful island of Pantelleria, nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean. Known for its vibrant flavors and fresh ingredients, Insalata Pantesca is a true testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. And there you have it, a taste of Pantelleria sunshine on your plate. Imagine the sun-kissed tomatoes, the briny capers, and the aromatic red onions all coming together in a symphony of flavors. Each bite transports you to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean. Insalata Pantesca is more than just a salad. It's a celebration of simple, fresh ingredients that, when combined, create something truly magical. The potatoes add a hearty texture, while the olives bring a burst of umami. It's a dish that embodies the essence of Mediterranean cuisine. This salad is perfect for a light lunch, offering a refreshing and satisfying meal that won't weigh you down. Pair it with a glass of crisp white wine, and you have a meal that's both elegant and effortless. A side dish for grilled fish or chicken, complementing the smoky flavors with its bright and tangy notes. It's a versatile dish that can elevate any meal, making it a staple in your culinary repertoire, or even just a refreshing snack. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a dish to impress your guests, Insalata Pantesca fits the bill perfectly. It's packed with flavor, color, and Mediterranean goodness. The vibrant hues of the vegetables make it as visually appealing as it is delicious. It's a feast for the eyes and the palate. So, why not give it a try? Gather your ingredients and take a culinary journey through Pantelleria. It's a simple dish that delivers complex flavors, and it's sure to become a favorite in your household. I promise you won't be disappointed. Buon appetito! Enjoy the taste of the Mediterranean right at home.